So fucking funny. She's getting sick of him.
Wednesday, February 27th, Psych is back. What? I'm so evil. With the brightest stars, the funniest comedians, and the most talented actors. And also, Sean.
That's very
Oh, it's Oakley,
The
girl.
new season of Psych returns Wednesday, February 27th to town, USA. At TurboTax, we know this is more than a paycheck. We know all the hammering, driving, writing, nursing, and teaching it took to earn it.
He really is scared
So we
of
give you the
her.
power to keep as much of your hard-earned money as possible.
He plays so
Our
nice with her.
customized interview covers everything from a
She's
service
got him
member's
that time.
employment to a student's loan interest, right down to a teacher's crayons. You've worked hard to earn your money. We're here to help you keep it. TurboTax, the power to keep what's yours. Try it now at TurboTax.com.
My day. My day. My day. It's my day. Introducing My Day from Jenny Craig, the flexible new weight loss choice that fits your real life. Eat 5 days with Jenny and 2 days of your own healthy choices. It's my day. My day. It's my day. Call right now for a free consultation. What do you have to lose? Call 1-800-JENNY today.
In the nation, people are remembering driver's ed. They're looking left, then right, then left again. They're not texting or tweeting, no sir. They're braking for squirrels, and then some. And their deductibles are disappearing. Because nationwide insurance members who add vanishing deductible get $100 off for every year of safe driving. We put members first, because we don't have shareholders. Join the nation that hangs up and drives.
Nationwide is on your side.
I had this shingle rash right
Worry
next
about
to
all
my
you're gonna
spine,
get.
clusters,
Yep.
pustules, pimples. The soreness was
She's out of
excruciating.
mouth.
It was impossible to even think about dancing.